Today, the CDC's advisory panel voted in favor of recommending a booster dose of the Pfizer vaccine for children ages 5 to 11, at least 5 months after that second dose. Our Dr. Frank McGeorge has been following their meeting today closely. He joins us live from highlights with that discussion. Doc.
Yeah, Karen, the real question for the panel was, do the benefits of a booster dose outweigh any potential risks? And after reviewing the available data, the committee of outside experts decided the answer was yes.
11 yeses, 1 no, 1 abstention, and so the motion passes.
The CDC's Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices voicing support for a booster dose of Pfizer's vaccine for children aged 5 to 11. The data from Pfizer's clinical trial showed a 1/3 dose of the vaccine raised Omicron-fighting antibodies by 36 times in this age group. The CDC's Dr. Sarah Oliver said no new safety issues were seen.
There were no serious adverse events reported among trial participants. There were no deaths, no cases of anaphylaxis, and no cases of myocarditis.
It's not clear how many parents will want a booster dose. Right now, 35% of children in this age group have received at least 1 dose of the vaccine, and just 28% are fully vaccinated. But the vaccines do show clear benefits.
During the Omicron predominant period, COVID-19 associated hospitalization rates among unvaccinated children, 5 through 11, shown in the dashed orange line, were twice as high as rates among vaccinated children, shown in the solid blue line.
The CDC stressed, while COVID trends tend to be less severe in children, the Omicron wave has led to more kids being hospitalized and can lead to long-term health issues even after a mild case.
87% of hospitalized children were unvaccinated. Among unvaccinated hospitalized children, over half were Black or Hispanic. 1/3 of hospitalized children had no underlying medical conditions.
Now, the CDC director still has the final say, but she is expected to give the green light as early as tonight.
Frank, was there any mention of progress on the vaccines for children under 5?
Well, the FDA acknowledged the frustration of parents, and they said that they are still in the process of reviewing the data that was submitted by Moderna. Several of the public comments were from parents or caregivers of kids that are under the age of 5 who actually called on the FDA and the CDC to just move faster. The FDA's advisory panel is tentatively set to meet in June to consider those vaccines for kids under age 5. So if that timetable does hold, they could be available in early summer.
Lots of parents concerned about that for sure. All right. Thank you, Doc. We appreciate it.